Go. You gotta stand next to Jake so I can see you. You gotta put your mouth in it and then talk. Go. Ah. Do it.
Whoa.
Look at Jake. Whoa. Come over here, Max. I can't see you.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't see you.
You take a picture of it, Mama.
I'm taking a video.
Watch this on my phone with my head. Oh my God, I should be.
You're crazy, Jake.
You only watch cigarette cup.
No, you can't sit on the cup.
Watch this.
He's trying to sit on the cup.